So here is the second video for 5B. Now here's a scenario. So what you've got is someone with way too much time on their hands has worked out this particular differential function, which helps explain the rate of change in which the area covered by a bush expands over time. Yeah, I know, I think it's silly too, the way maths teachers reach and grab for the ridiculous examples of so-called real-life problems. But the math is still really good. So here's our differential function. So area changes, the rate of change of area over time is given by this one. So this time we've got a trig function here. We're told originally that it covers 0.3 of a square metre. When it's planted, how much will it cover after 9 metres? So therefore we need a function for the area, and clearly that's going to be the integral of the original function that we were given. Just two terms add together, integrate each individually. So the first one is going to be 0.02 t squared divided through by the new index. Then we know that cos differentiates the negative sign, so sine would integrate to negative cos. So there's going to be a negative. The 0.5 is a constant, so it stays there. Sine becomes cos. The internal function pi on 6t stays unchanged. And now divide through by the differential of the inside function. So I'm dividing through everything by pi on 6, or I could just multiply through by 6 on pi, same thing. Tidy that up a little bit, 2 goes into that, so it's 0.01 t squared. So there's a function we have at the moment. Of course, let's not forget, it's an indefinite integral, we need to put some constant on the end, which we now need to find out by using this original information that we've given. Alright, so we know that at time 0, we know the area is 0.3 square metres, so let's fill that in. So the area is 0.3, that's our formula down here for area, must be equal to. So evaluating that, so 0 squared is 0, times 0.1 is 0, that's fine, it's gone. Now, times all together, that's 0. Cosine of 0 happens at 1. So all of this, so that comes to 1, so I have one lot of negative 3 on pi. Plus c, rearrange that, work it out. C is approximately equal to 1.255, giving us our function for our area as follows. Very good. Of course, the question says after 9 months, so it's a simple matter of going and replacing t with 9, plug it into your calculator, and you'll get the following result. Right, so that's the end of the instruction questions for 5B. I'll see you in class and see how we go working on that. See you there.